Okay, this is an add-on video for a 2006 Toyota 4Runner. There's a little tennis ball that we use to stop when we pull into the garage. Hood scoop. Here's my light bar down there, little spot. So one of the things we have here is these are 265/7017. Kind of hard to see. And as you can see here on the back, taking off the mud flaps. A better way to see. And they did rub on the front, right in here. And you can see right in here, and this piece right here. Plastic piece, so that's kind of where it rubbed there, and then you'll notice that there's a gap right here. Sorry for that. You can see that gap right there. See, I can slip my finger right in there. So what you have to do is come under here and give it a little bit of perspective. There's the tire, and here's that big piece right here. And then you see there's these little screws here, and they have these clips inside right here. So as you can see, you kind of just have to you unscrew them, take the clips off, and you can see here's the original hole right here, and you kind of just move it. You can see it kind of it's a little shredded. Basically, this is thin plastic, and I just used a Phillips screwdriver to move it. You can see I moved this one right here. So back up a little bit. Moved it from here to here, and that was enough to get that clearance from the tire. And you can see the tire right here. Here's a little side view of it. You can see. Once again, come back underneath, and you know, some people will cut this off. It's just cheap plastic. You can see it. So basically, just this clip just kind of slides out, and this one kind of same thing, just slides out, and then you just kind of wiggle it back into shape. It goes in there, and then it has like a little like a stem that. There's my JBA UCAs. It has a little stem that kind of just pokes through the hole. You just kind of wiggle it through a Phillips screwdriver and poke your own hole through it, and then move it. There's the little Zerk fittings. You can see that right there. There's the other Zerk fitting right up in there. It's getting close to time to re-grease them. Fix that one. Straighten it out so it looks cool. So once again, there's the spot right there. No rubbing in the back, and this is the driver's side. Passenger side doesn't rub, so not sure exactly what to make of that. So you can see the back here. Took off the mud flaps. Got a little more clearance here. Once again, 5100s all around. Took off the side steps, which basically just bolt onto the body so you can jump up and down on them and bend your body frame, which really just sucks. So, sorry, there's the bottom of there. Method wheels. Really like these wheels. They really just look sharp. Here. There. This little Method name right there. Anyway, back over to here. So, any questions on Phillips screwdriver poking a hole? Let me know. Leave a comment. Thanks.